We have a week and a half left, and I just want to bring in the full context of where we're at with what we're doing with the 42-day challenge. Remember that we're breaking it down into the smallest, most manageable action step. It is so minute that it's something that you can and will execute. You're starting small at whatever it is that you're wanting to do, and then you progress from there. The next one is that you have identified and you fully understand your why. Without the emotional connection with what you're doing, you're not going to be able to get it right. Remember that regression is part of the program. Regression is a step in the progression module. It is a step that's in there. You cannot expect to become person B without having the ability to, without regressing. That regressing is part of the process. So when you do find yourself regressing and not pushing yourself forward, lovingly embrace yourself, because you need to find the smallest, most manageable step to get you back on track. Regression is part of the process. The last thing is that remember that there's nothing out of your capacity. You are perfectly capable of doing what it is that you have set out to achieve. Nothing but your mind is in your way. You are perfectly capable of nailing what it is that you need to get.